Hello. Good evening, Dan.
It's Rabas.
Hello. Oh,
Rabas.
are you you
Rabas.
also have that one?
Rabas.
Wow.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
Rabas.
Where,
Rabas.
where,
Rabas.
oh, you have
Rabas.
the orange one. I don't have the orange. No, it's so cute. Uh, what is that? Okay. Hello again, Dan. Good evening.
Yeah.
Oh, Yundong is very energetic today. Wow. Okay, so it's nice to see you again. Dan, how are you today? How are you today? Are you good
Uh,
today?
I'm good.
Wow, that's very good. And how was your day at school? How was your day at the school? Last week day. Do you have
Like
uh,
uh,
do you have homeworks, unfinished homeworks from last week?
last week, doing my homework.
Oh, wow, that's very good. And I think last week is holiday, right? In Vietnam,
Yes.
it's
Yes.
holiday, so you don't have school last week?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. So, how about now? Is it still holiday right now in Vietnam? Is it still holiday in Vietnam today or no?
Huh? Teacher again.
Oh, is it still holiday in Vietnam today or no? Is it
Still holiday. No.
No, okay. So the holiday is already finished. Wow, that's good to know. So thank you very much, Dan. So for this lesson, we will have our new lesson. So can you read our lesson for today?
Free time and hobby.
Okay, very good. Well, when you read the word free time, do you have any idea what free time is? Do you have any idea about this word, free time? After
Um.
when you have homework at school and you already finish your homework, after that, do you have a free time after finishing your homework or the things that you
Yes.
needed to do? Yes, okay, very good. We see a free time. It means the time when you don't have anything to do. Like, for example, after school, so you have homework after school, but after you finish your homework, so you already have a free time after that. So you can do whatever you want, whatever you choose to do. So that is free time. So I will ask you something. What do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I listening to music.
Oh, wow. Do you also watch movies? Do you also watch movies when you have a
Um,
free time?
sometime, sometime I watch movie
Sometimes.
in a cinema.
Oh, oh, cinema. Is that when you are with your friends?
With
You watch
my
cinema?
friends and sister.
Oh, sister. Do you have a sister?
No, it's cousin.
Oh, cousin. Okay, I see. I thought you also have a sister. And Yundong is only your only brother?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much. So that is free time. So it is our time when we don't have to do anything, but we choose to do something that will entertain us. Okay, so that will be our lesson for today. So as shall we have here our objectives, which is vocabulary. So we will learn some new words connected to free time. We also have phrases and our reading and discussion. Okay, so now let's have our vocabulary. Okay, so first, free time, which is free time. Okay, so when we say free time, Dan, what is free time again? When we say free time is
The time the time is not have anything.
oh yes, so it's the time when we don't have anything to do. So very good. So that is free time, like what you have said earlier. So you listen to music, you watch movies with your sister or cousin and with your friends. Okay, so that is free time. So next, let's go with our next word here. Okay, this one. Okay, do you know? Can you read our second word?
Hobby.
Hobby. Very good. Do you know what hobby is? When we say hobby, do you have any idea, like in the picture?
Hobby is people um like like things. Do
Uh,
things.
be- yes, very good. Good job. So, when we say hobby, it is the things that people like to do every day or regularly. For example, you like drawing and your hobby is drawing. How about you, Dan? What is your hobby every day?
Uh,
Do you have any hobbies that you do every day? Or something when we say hobby, it is something that we enjoy to do every day. So now, what is your hobby? Do you know your hobby? The things
um
that
my
you do?
my hobby is uh cooking uh uh break
Oh, cooking breakfast?
um bake bake
Baking. Your hobby is baking cake. Is that
bake
correct?
cake.
Oh, wow. You also know how to bake? You know
um
how to bake?
Sweet cake.
Wow, sweet cake. So you know how to bake a sweet cake? Wow, that's very good. So I also like to know more about baking, but I do not have the skill. So wow, that's very good that you know how to bake because most of my friends they say that baking is really enjoyable because you have to learn something and you can eat what you bake. Yes, especially when you love pastries or bread. So it is good that you know how to bake. Wow. Because it is really entertaining or enjoyable. So baking cake. Wow. Okay, aside from baking sweet cake, do you know how to bake any other breads or any other cookies? Do you know how to bake cookies?
uh um
Or
Bread
you are
and
still
cooking.
Oh, bread and cookies. Wow, you also know. Wow, that's very good. And where did you learn? Where did you learn baking? Where did you learn baking? Or how? How did you learn baking? Did your
Um,
mother teach you or taught you?
uh, I watched YouTube.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's very good. It means that you are fast learners, but just by watching YouTube, so you learn how to bake. Wow, that's very good. So thank you very much for sharing your hobbies with teachers. So that's a very good hobby. So thank you. So next, let's go to our next words. Okay. Can you read our next word?
Play sports.
Okay, perfect. So now, do you play sports, Dan?
Yes. I
Yes.
play um running, badminton and swimming.
Oh, swimming. Wow. Do you know how to swim?
Um,
Do you
um
know how? Yes.
yes.
Wow, that's very good. Do you know how to swim in the sea? Like in the sea? What
Um,
what what do
in
you prefer?
in a pool.
Oh, pool. Okay, swimming in the pool. How about swimming in the sea? Have you tried swimming in the sea?
Yes.
Yes. And what do you prefer? Swimming in the sea or swimming in the pool?
Uh, in I prefer swim pool in a in the
Oh,
pool
oh, okay, I see. Prefer
because
swimming in the
it
pool.
uh
Be-
it not dangerous.
Yes, perfect. Very good. You are true. That's true because when you are swimming in the sea, so there is a time that the waves in the sea, so it gets so it's very somehow if you are not trained to swim in deep. So yeah, that's very good. So thank you so much. Okay. So for this one, so when we say play sports, so it is the games that requires a physical activities like what you have said. So running, so it requires activity. Badminton also because we use our whole body when we are playing badminton, especially swimming. So we use our hands, we use our legs. So that is playing
Let
sport. Yes, okay. So next one, let's go with this one. Okay, can you read this phrase? This one. What is
us
our next one?
go
Can
out
you?
for a coffee.
Okay, very good. So next one is go out for a coffee. So when we say go out for a coffee, it means that we go to a cafe to drink coffee or other drinks. So for this one, do you like to go to a cafe or coffee shop? Do you like to go there?
Uh, I like um cafe.
Oh, you like to go to the cafe. Who do you go with?
I go with my parents.
Oh, wow, that's really good. And do you usually order in the coffee shop? What is the drink that you like to
Um,
order?
I drink milk coffee.
Oh, milk coffee. Wow. Oh, I think is that a Spanish latte? Do you know what Spanish latte is?
No.
Spanish latte. No. So it's like a coffee with milk and it has like a condensed milk. So let me just check here. Spanish latte. Don't think that Vietnam also has this, but this is a very popular drink. So this. So it's like a coffee with milk. Can you see the screen? This one.
Uh,
So it's basically coffee with milk. Yes, so that is a Spanish latte. So most of my friends, this is the drink that they like to order because it's not a very, it doesn't have a very strong flavor of the coffee. So it's more of sweeter side of the coffee. Yeah. Okay, so that is for our second one. So go out for a coffee. So next, okay, so seeing this picture, what do you think are these two people doing? Or what are you
uh,
doing?
go to shopping.
Yes, perfect. So our next word is go shopping. So when we say go shopping, so we visit stores to buy things like clothes, toys, or food. So for this one, you like to go shopping, Dan?
Uh, Yes, I like go to shopping.
Wow. And what do you usually buy? What do you usually buy when you go shopping?
I buy food, uh, and clothes.
Buy food and clothes. Wow, that's very good. So good job. So that is a go shopping. So next one. So looking at this picture, what do you think is our next word? So we have here
Tra-
airplane.
Travel.
Yes. So next word is go traveling. So when we say traveling, so I think you have the idea. So when we say go traveling, so we go to other places. We visit new places, cities, or countries. Okay. So first one, where would if you have the chance to travel in a different country, where would you like to travel?
I travel. Um,
What country or what place do you like would you like to travel?
uh, I I would like travel to um Australia.
Oh, Australia. Wow. I think you have told me this one last time. And yeah, Australia is a very good country because it is one of the biggest country in the world. So yeah, Australia. And it is also one of the most beautiful countries, the other countries. So wow, that's a very good place that you want to travel. How about within your country in Vietnam? What famous places would you like to travel in Vietnam,
Um,
in your country?
in a country. mm, Um, uh,
Is there any
um,
places that you like to go to your country, or have you already gone to? How about, do you know place in Vietnam where there is a
Nha,
coffee shop? Yes. Do
Nha,
you know the
Nha Trang
place?
famous. Famous.
Oh.
uh, um, beach and beautiful.
Oh, you want to go to a beach? Beach in Vietnam?
Yes.
Oh, how about the place in Vietnam that a coffee shop in Vietnam that has like a train beside it. Let me let me just share. Do
Um,
you know this place? Like the coffee shop. It is famous in other countries. It's a coffee shop where there is a train, like a train going beside. You
I
don't know this place?
yes.
Oh, it's famous in, I think it's in Hanoi. Hanoi, am I correct? The pronunciation, Hanoi, Vietnam. Hanoi? Is that
Um,
correct? Hanoi?
maybe not not go to Hanoi.
Oh, why? Why don't you like to go to Hanoi?
Um, yes.
Why don't you like to go there? Is it like very far?
Because I pers Percy boost
Because?
boost because
Oh,
I study a lot
oh, you
and
study a lot.
not free time.
Oh, okay, I see. So, wow, okay. Is Hanoi, Vietnam very far in your hometown?
Yes.
Is it? Oh, that's why I see. So, yeah, so it's perfect that you have this idea because it's important to study first. After you graduated, you will have a lot of free time so that you can go to the places or go travel to the place that you want to travel, which is in Australia. Okay, so thank you. So very good for this one. So let's go with this word. So looking at the picture here, what are these people doing?
Watch TV.
Yes, watch TV. So very good. So for our next words, this is
Watch
watch. What are they watching?
film. Watch film.
Film. Okay, very good. So when we say films, these are movies. Movies when we say films. So watching films, it is watching movies at home, like in the picture. So they are watching at home. You can also watch at the cinema. Okay. So like in your free time, so you watch movies with your sister and with your friends. You watch movies at the cinema. So that is one of the example of watching or watch. So, this one, Dan. What is your favorite film or movie? What's your favorite movie?
Um, uh, in uh in uh in
In
Friday
series?
and Saturday,
Ah,
I
uh,
watch I watch film. Uh, I watch horror film.
oh, you like horror films?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Can you recommend a teacher some horror films that you watch? It's a very good horror film.
It's scare.
It scare you. What is the title of the movie? Is it in Vietnam? A
Yeah.
Vietnam movie.
Um.
Oh, can you tell
Uh,
me some title of the movie?
teacher
Or
again.
can you tell me the title or the name of the movie?
Mm, um. The name is the name film is uh Take Five uh hand
How
hands
how ah
fingers.
how do you spell pink five fingers? Is
Pick
this correct?
pick pick.
A peach. Can you spell that one? Is this correct? Peach five fingers?
Um pick Pig.
Oh,
Pig.
Pig. Pig five fingers?
Fingers.
Oh, okay. Is that a
Yes.
Vietnam movie? Oh, okay. So thank you so much. I will see that movie. So I also like horror movies, especially when it's very scary. Okay, so thank you very much. So this is watching film. Okay, so next, let's take a look at this picture. What is the man doing?
The man is studying
Studying or what
or
studying or starts with an R.
reading.
Yes, so reading books. So read books. Okay. In your free time, Dan, do you read books?
Um, yes.
Yes. What are books? What kind of books do you like to read? Do you also do you also like to read horror books?
Yes. Um, uh,
Oh,
have
okay. So
girls
what is that?
her book and read read ghost book.
Oh, ghost book.
Yes.
Oh, that's very good. So, teacher also like to read horror books. I have a lot of horror books here, but I am not able to read those because I don't have much free time. Okay, so very good. So, this is one of the things that we do in our free time, which is reading books. Okay. So next one. So this is one of the things that you do in your free time. So what is this?
Listening to music. Listen to
Very
music.
good. Perfect. Very good. So listen to music. When we say listening to music, like teacher, we are hearing songs or melodies for fun or relaxation. So when you have a free time, what music do you listen to? Do you listen to rock
Um, in my
music?
free time, listen. I listen K-pop music
Oh, K-pop?
or famous music.
Oh, am I correct? Is it is K-pop? K-pop?
Yes.
Oh, wow. What K-pop group do you like to listen to?
Music in Vietnam.
Oh, music in Vietnam. Okay. So very good. Thank you so much. So next one, let's go with another thing that we do at our free time. What is it? It's
Mm,
can, can you read this one?
surf the internet, Facebook, or
Okay, very good. What time to see this Facebook?
you use social media.
Oh, you use social media? Social media
Yes.
is um is Facebook Is Facebook also famous in Vietnam?
Facebook.
I-
Yes.
Oh, yes. How about the other social media platforms that you use? What are the other social media platform?
Uh,
Do you
uh,
TikTok?
yes. I
Oh,
use TikTok a lot.
oh wow, I use TikTok. How about YouTube? Do you also use YouTube?
Yes. Sometimes I
Yes.
use.
Okay, wow, very good. So good job. So it's the internet. So next one, okay. So let's review. Okay, so for this one, since it's already like 8:15, so for our next activity or next class, so we will do this review. Okay, so this is all about the
Yes.
free time vocabulary that we have learned. So make sure that you review this vocabulary, especially what we do or what are the things that we usually do in our free time. Okay. Okay,
Yes.
so thank you so much, Dan, for your time today. So you did a great job, especially you are expressing your ideas with the free time or the things that we usually do in our free time, especially your hobby. So thank you so much for sharing yourself, and I hope to see you again in our next class, which is on next Sunday. Okay, so goodbye, Dan, and see you
Yes.
again. Goodbye. You can now
Goodbye,
take
teacher.
your rest. Goodbye. Thank you so much
Bye,
also for guiding Yondong. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.
teacher.
Have a
Bye,
great
teacher.
weekday. Bye bye.